Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and gathering parts. This saves time. Plug the adapter into a powered USB port because some laptops supply limited current. Once connected, attach the Ethernet cable to the adapter and to the router or switch. Make sure the connector clicks. If your system prompts for drivers, allow the install. Drivers let the adapter talk to your OS. You may need to switch USB ports if the adapter isn't recognized immediately. Once drivers are present, open network settings to make the adapter active. This is where you control addressing. If you use DHCP, select Automatic Configuration so the router assigns IP, DNS, and gateway. This is simplest. For static setups, enter IP, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS manually. Note why each value matters for routing and name resolution. Make sure the adapter is set higher in the interface priority. If you finish by testing connectivity, check link lights on the adapter and router, then ping the gateway or 8 to confirm outbound access. If there's no link light, swap the Ethernet cable and try another router port because physical faults are common. When the adapter is detected but traffic fails, update or reinstall drivers and, if available, flash firmware. This can resolve compatibility bugs. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different USB port or use a powered USB hub to rule out power limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.